What's happening, y'all? It's your girl Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I am so sorry I have not been uploading. I've been sick. I've been in the hospital. Matter of fact, let me go a picture. So yeah, I had like a little thing going on with my lungs. I don't know if it was a cold, a flu, then it turned into a fever, then it turned into a cold, then it turned back into a flu. I don't know, it was just a lot going on. But anyways, I'm back and I'm gonna be giving y'all today a jumbo braid tutorial. I got the hair. Let's just hop right into it. Okay, y'all, got to make this doggone knot on my head. Well, I'm over the bed too. Okay, now it's super secure. So, first off, what you want to do, just open the hair. Why I got these colors? Because my hair is these colors. Black and blonde. I got this in the color 27. So the blonde is in the color 27 and the black is in the color 2. Let me grab some scissors. Okay. So you take some scissors to cut the little rubber bands off the hair. It's gonna have to work. So for the most part, for the first pack of hair, you just wanna stretch it a little bit, because when you braid it, you don't want it to have such a blunt end. You want the end to kind of be long and natural. You know how a natural normal braid is supposed to be. Hello? Y'all know when bill collectors call y'all? I ain't got no money. I ain't got no money. Anyways, you just want to kind of feather it out like this. It's gonna take a while.
What you gonna do, huh? Member. Yeah.
Perfect. That's about it. Kind of just wanna get all the little knots out. I'm playing entirely too much. I'm doing it off camera because it's taking a really long time. My arm is tired. We're gonna move on to the second thing. You wanna do the same thing. Make sure when you cut, always make sure you got the rubber band. You just cut it. The same thing I did with the black hair. Stretching it, making sure the ends are not so blunt. You wanna do that with the blonde hair. My brother got a fire ringtone. You wanna put the hair together, just like that, on some Harley Quinn stuff. I got rubber bands on my finger because we're gonna be attaching at the hair, like through a loop with the rubber bands. Ends how these ends, they ain't how I want them to be. I'm just gonna adjust the length of both the hair. See how on this side, the black is longer than the blonde. And then on this side, I'm gonna make like the blonde longer than this black part, so it won't be so blunt at the end. I hate that. Braids be so pretty, but that blunt end will kill it. Now that you got your hair formatted and situated right, you want to take 2 rubber bands. You want to take the rubber band. Nice, man. Jesus. Okay. And I'm going to show y'all. You kind of just want to loop it a little bit. Like loop. Okay, it's 2 sides. Loop the front to the back. While you looping it to the back, you just, bam, grab the front, see? And then this happens. I'll let y'all know. When this happens, you just want to take the hair, you just want to throw it. No, I'm just playing. Please try hard to keep your hair neat. Then just get a ponytail holder because it was all worth it in the first place. Bam. See? Now you got room for it to go on your little freshly washed bun here with excess jam. Like this. Like ends wise. To see, you can kind of predict how it's going to look at the ends. But if you do like this, and your ends is kind of like they look blunt, then you need to stretch them out a little bit more. But I just do this, try to predict how my braid is gonna look. And you just wanna kind of throw it up right there. It's snug on your head. Make sure it's always snug on your head. Then you just want to start braiding, you know. Not any kind of specific braid or nothing like that. Not a fishtail, not nothing extra. It's just a giant jumbo braid.
Got that one skinny piece along with the two little fat pieces. I'm going to show y'all what to do. So, let me get the little run-in with the skinny piece versus the fat pieces. You take this piece just like this. You hold it. You put your finger like to kind of back it up so this hair will not fall into this hair. Then you just do like za. And when you do like za, you want to make sure it's separated all the way down. And then you just like, boom, see? You just kind of braid. And then you keep on braiding.
And you just kind of want to seal the ends, because one thing you don't want is an unraveling braid. That is a turn off. Like, I wouldn't even talk to no girl no braids unraveling. No sir. Yeah. Then if you got like that little faint piece, you can cut it off, but it's a certain way you have to cut it off. So when you got a piece like this, you just kind of want to cut in a downwards angle. So let me try to show y'all if y'all can see. You just kind of want to see, so it looks like, you know. Then I'm gonna cut like that. Yeah, gotta hold it upward, cause there you go. See, so I gotta try to flip it and make it work. Oh, I did it. Okay. Can't tell me I ain't a G for this. But yeah, to secure it in place, you want to secure bobby pins in the back. We ain't gonna worry about the back. We gonna slide right up into the front, because I ain't got time. I can't get it through, y'all. My hair. Yeah, okay, I got it to secure right there. Perfect. This body next to this instrumental, I'm saying. Sorry, y'all, I was listening to MGK and I hate the lyrics, but the beat was raw. We're gonna go back to the back and see what's popping back there. Yeah, what's happening back here? Oh, okay. To grab another bobby pin. Got my cat too. What you say? Okay. Yeah, she ain't say nothing. You go under the braid and try to snap it in place. Yup. Bam. And that's pretty much how that go. And you can see all around. It's secure. The braid is right. That's pretty much how you want to do it. I'm sick of you being rich. I'm sick of you being rich. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be uploading these pictures on my social media, on my Instagram, which is realmarielove_. I'm going to have it right here so y'all can see it. I will be uploading pictures to my Facebook, which is Marie Love. Again, right here so y'all can see it. I'm going to be uploading more tutorials too. They don't have to be jumbo braid. They can be sew-in, quick weave, crochet, either or, you know. I got a lot of stuff coming for y'all. So, that's about it. I will see you guys later.
What's wrong? You okay?
It's been a hard day. My very hot, highly attractive girlfriend just left me.
Oh, hell no!